Hello viewers, I'm here with my little cousin Addie.
Hi.
And we're gonna do the Harry Potter bean challenge. This is not Bean Boozled. Those Bean Boozled beans are blasphemy. Harry Potter is the only one. This is our goal for if we need to get rid of something. Alright.
Let's do that.
You wanna go at the same time?
Sure.
Okay, let's pick the same colors. There are 2 of each. Let's see who got a good one, who got a bad one. Take.
Oh, these are good and bad.
Sit down.
Okay.
So this is green. Green apple.
Green apple.
I guess we both got green apple.
That's yummy. Great. Oh, here's another one of those colors.
This? Okay. Can you sit down? Sorry. Just like, you're making the light all weird. Are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
What is this? Am I eating sausage right now?
I'm trying
gonna
to
eat
keep
it.
it in. Me too.
Is it sausage?
Yeah. I just swallowed it.
So this is either going to be delicious or really gross. The bad option is earthworm.
Oh, great.
The good option is raspberry. Aww.
Alright.
Bye-bye, sausage. Ready?
That's bad.
Couldn't. I can't do it.
I know. It's too bad.
Alright. Are we ready to try Tutti Frutti? And make sure we don't get stinky sock?
Then your mouth will smell forever.
Mm-hmm.
Here for
Tutti Frutti.
Yeah, it's a safe one there.
This one's probably watermelon.
And give me that
Wait,
one.
no, let's leave this one until we need it.
Mm-hmm.
This one looks like... This could be banana. You want to try the banana one? Oh, I think this is also banana.
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 You knew it.
Booger or juicy pear?
Right.
Wait until you finish the banana, though.
That was yummy. Nope.
It tastes like salt.
I know.
That must be a booger.
I know.
I think this one's gonna be black pepper. Can you handle it? Pepper. Charlie, we're filming a video.
Where is my bag of jelly?
It's in my big bag. Go get it. I'm gonna finish it.
I don't. Oh my god, that's.
This one looks like grass.
Grass or lime. Lime.
Grass. No. This one could be coconut or it could be earwax.
No coconut or.
Alas. Earwax.
That's so bad.
Nope.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Cherry or cinnamon.
Oh,
Neither one's really bad, but...
Cinnamon.
Me too.
That is yummy.
Another earthworm. You wanna risk it?
Earthworm. I'm gonna risk it. Oh, great. that one's done. Never mind about that. Okay. Right, which one are we doing next?
This one's marshmallow. This one's either rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
What's this one? The bad one?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow or what?
I don't know.
Well, great, I got marshmallow.
Why did I even think it was possible to get a buttered popcorn one? I think this one's dirt.
Wait,
I'm
is
gonna eat
this
it.
the... Oh, dang, I wanted to do this one. Here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is lime or peach. I mean,
No, it's vomit or peach.
Vomit or peach.
Gross. I got a rotten egg. I'm taking the candy floss one.
No, you should have got this.
Was it peach? Aww.
Never mind. That tastes so bad.
Alright, last one. Do you want to risk sausage again?
Nope.
Or... I'm gonna break it.
That tastes so bad.
Sausage. I'm not doing that. Watermelon, almost guaranteed.
Watermelon or...
It doesn't say an alternative.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Okay. Next
All
video.
right.
When next video, can we do mine? It's not like a bad one, but it's okay. Bye.